Breaking inputs coming in from Kolkata, where the ABVP has staged a protest over Kolkata horror. Protesters are trying to bring down the barricades, a massive protest in Kolkata by ABVP. Let's go across to Pooja for more on this. Pooja is reporting from Ground Zero, where these protests are taking place. Protests, in fact, intensifying. Those are visuals on your screens of a massive deployment of police officials who are stopping the ABVP workers from moving forward, from marching forward. And the ABVP workers, they're trying to bring down, to break the barricades. So protests intensifying today. The top developments that have taken place in this case also include the Supreme Court's observations, scathing observations against the handling of the case. The Supreme Court also pulled up the police, the state police, asked them about the arrangements when it comes to the incident of vandalism that was witnessed, and also the delay in filing of the FIR. The role of the principal was also questioned by the Supreme Court. We have Sabyasachi getting us more details. Sabyasachi, meanwhile, protests are intensifying. On the screens are visuals of the ABVP workers protesting.
Well, absolutely. See, the ABVP workers here in Kolkata are ghirawing the Swasthya Bhavan here in Salt Lake. Now we had seen that continuously from the BJP side, they have planned several agitation in the city against the Trinamool Congress and against the state machinery. In fact, today the student wing of the BJP ABVP is protesting in front of the Swasthya Bhavan. Now they have been alleging that Swasthya Bhavan have been involved in corruption because it was a Swasthya Bhavan, in fact, who passed that notification that right after the former principal of RG Kaur Hospital, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, had resigned, immediately after 5 hours, he was reinstated as the principal of the Calcutta Medical College. Now, the role of the Swasthya Bhavan has come under criticism from the opposition side, from both the BJP and the CPIM, questioning the role of Swasthya Bhavan in major corruption. Now, the BJP also planned that in the coming days there would be a protest of the member of parliaments of the BJP as well as the ML.
भवन जाना था और ये विरोध जो है प्रदर्शन किया जा रहा था आरजीकर अस्पताल के डॉक्टर के रेप और मर्डर के खिलाफ। लेकिन तस्वीरों में आप देखिए बड़ी संख्या में पुलिसकर्मी जो यहाँ पर मौजूद थे, उनको कहा कि वो स्वास्थ्य भवन नहीं जा पाएंगे। ऐसे में ये बारिश के बावजूद जो यहाँ पर एबीवीपी के समर्थक जो विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहे थे, फिलहाल पुलिस उनको पीछे खदेड़ रही है। आप तस्वीरों में देखिए पुलिस के जो सीनियर अधिकारी भी मौजूद है, वो उनको पुशबैक कर रही है, कह रही है कि वो स्वास्थ्य भवन तक नहीं जा पाएगी क्योंकि स्वास्थ्य भवन के इर्द गिर्द जो है प्रोहिबिटरी ऑर्डर्स है और वो वहां पर नहीं जा सकते, उनके पास अनुमति नहीं है। लेकिन आप देखिए यहाँ पर जो एबीवीपी के समर्थक है, जो लगातार नारे लगा रहे हैं और जो जस्टिस की मांग कर रहे हैं, न्याय की मांग कर रहे हैं, उस पीड़िता के लिए, उस डॉक्टर के लिए जिसको बेरहमी से जो है पहले उसका रेप किया गया, उसके बाद उसकी हत्या कर दी गई, उसके लिए आज सड़कों पर उतरे हैं एबीवीपी के समर्थक। लेकिन जिस तरह से पुलिस के साथ आप देखिए एक जो है झड़प हो रही है एबीवीपी समर्थक की, और कहा जा रहा है कि वो सड़क छोड़ दे, खाली कर दे। और यहाँ पर आप तस्वीरों में देखिए किस तरह से उनको पीछे खदेड़ने की कोशिश की जा रही है और एक तरह से एक झड़प भी हो रही है पुलिस के साथ इन एबीवीपी के समर्थकों की।
All right, so that's Pooja reporting from Ground Zero, talking about the confrontation that has broken out between the ABVP protesters and the police. In the visuals also you can see the ABVP workers, the protesters, they're trying to break the barricades and march forward. The police officials stopping them from doing that. These protests are taking place over the Kolkata rape and murder horror. It's a massive protest by the ABVP. We'll go back to Pooja. Meanwhile, let's bring in Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, the other big development was the hearing in the top court and the scathing observations. Okay, I think we have lost the line with Sabyasachi as well. Let's stay with these visuals coming in from Kolkata, where the ABVP workers have hit the streets protesting against the Kolkata murder and rape horror, and the police officials on ground stopping the workers from marching forward. It's a sit-in dharna now. The ABVP workers are sitting on the roads. Pooja is back.
वो फिलहाल इस सड़क पर बैठ गए हैं। उनका कहना है कि जब तक इस पीड़िता को न्याय नहीं मिल जाता, उनका आंदोलन चलता रहेगा। ऐसे में पुलिस फिर एक बार आप देखिए, हम आपको तस्वीरों में दिखा रहे हैं, कार्रवाई करती हुई पुलिस पुलिस यहाँ पर गिरफ्तार कर रही है एबीवीपी के समर्थकों को। आप देखिए, एक समर्थक जो है वो गिर गया है, उसे फिलहाल गिरफ्तार किया जा रहा है, उसे ले लिया जा रहा है अपनी गिरफ्त में। और यहाँ आप देखिए किस तरह से पुलिस इनको कह रही है कि अगर वो सड़क से नहीं हटे तो उनको गिरफ्तार किया जाएगा और आगे की कार्रवाई की जाएगी। लेकिन जहां तक आरजीकर अस्पताल के डॉक्टरों की बात है, वो एक जनरल बॉडी की बैठक करेंगे और उसमें तय होना है कि अब किस तरह से और कब से हड़ताल को जो है वापस ली जाएगी। क्योंकि आज हमने जैसे देखा कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कह दिया था कि जितने भी डॉक्टर हैं वो अपनी हड़ताल जल्द से जल्द वापस ले और फिर एक बार काम पर जो है वापस जाए। लेकिन आरजीकर अस्पताल के डॉक्टर जो लगातार विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं 10 अगस्त के बाद से, जब से ये घटना सामने आई है, अभी उन्होंने कोई भी डिसीजन नहीं लिया है कि आखिरकार कब जो है वो अपनी हड़ताल को वापस लेंगे।
So those are ABVP protesters intensifying their protest against the Kolkata rape and murder horror. And as Pooja is reporting, they've refused to budge, refused to move from the protest site. The cops are now taking them away, but ABVP protesters continuing with their dharna. They are now on a sit-in dharna. ABVP protesters have made it clear that they will not move an inch till justice is done in the case. On the other hand, today the Supreme Court also came down heavily on the state government and the Kolkata police, questioning the delay in the FIR, questioning multiple lapses, the role of the principal, and also asking the cops what were they doing when several thousand people, a mob, vandalized the hospital.
नहीं चाहते हैं और अपना विरोध प्रदर्शन जारी रखना चाह रहे हैं। ऐसे में पुलिस के साथ जो है वो उनकी बातचीत भी हो रही थी कि वो उन्हें प्रदर्शन करने दे, लेकिन आप देखिए लाठियों के साथ और शील्ड के साथ पुलिस यहाँ पे तैयार है और उन्हें पीछे जाने के लिए कह रही है। क्योंकि थोड़ी देर पहले वो सड़कों पर बैठे हुए थे और सड़क पर बैठे कार्यकर्ताओं को पुलिस ने हटा दिया है, सड़क को खाली की है और अभी उनको कह रहे हैं कि वो जल्द से जल्द वापस चले जाए।
Protesters have been asked to vacate the protest site. Several, in fact, have left. That's what Pooja is telling us. In the visuals also, you can see the crowd being dispersed by the cops. Massive deployment of the police officials on ground, stopping the ABVP protesters from marching forward. The ABVP protesters demanding justice in the case, saying that the protest will not be over till justice is done. Now, multiple developments taking place. Remember, the CBI is investigating the case, and for the CBI, a deadline has been set by the top court. The Supreme Court has asked them to file a status report by the 22nd of August, and that's exactly when the next hearing in the case is going to take place. The Supreme Court has also announced formation of a national task force, which has been asked to submit its report within 3 weeks. On your screens right now, visuals of the protesters being taken away. The officials there, security officials, along with the police officials of Kolkata, because additional forces have been called, reinforcements have reached there, removing the protesters from the site, dispersing the crowd. On your screens right now, massive protest of the ABVP underway in Kolkata. We also saw a confrontation, a clash broke out between the protesting ABVP workers and the police officials. As of now, the officials seem to have cleared the road where the protest was taking place. Let's see if we can go back to Pooja for more on this, for live reports. The protests have been taking place in this case ever since the case was first reported, when it first came to light. This rape and murder horror from the RG Medical Hospital, the medical fraternity, along with them, the common people of this country outraged, protested, demanding justice. Now, the CBI is investigating the entire case. Meanwhile, there are multiple reactions coming in as well on the handling of the situation, criticizing the state government's role, questioning the role of Kolkata police. CBI, meanwhile, is investigating for them. The deadline now is 22nd of August, by which they have to submit their status report in the case. The lapses on part of the hospital authorities, of the police officials, of the state government was all raised in the Supreme Court today during the hearing. The Supreme Court came down heavily on the state and especially the Kolkata cops, questioned what were they doing when a mob was vandalizing the